Welcome to the Showstopper Shows. I'm the Showstopper, and this little guy is Pure Leaf Unsweetened Tea. And I'm going to tell you guys, before I even get into this and show you how much I like this drink, I'm just going to tell you, I really like this drink. This is one of my favorite beverages in the US of A to drink today. It is made by brewing tea, not from powder, but from the leaves themselves. So basically you're getting the full effect of the tea flavor right from the leaves. You're not having to grind it down and get it all like ground up and then get it from powder. You're getting this from the leaf itself. And that's why it's called Pure Leaf. Now, a lot of times you'll get tea, especially unsweetened tea, and it's either watered down or it has a lemony flavor. I'm going to tell you, this is neither one of those. It is one of the stronger flavored teas I have ever drank. It never disappoints me. My favorite thing about this, there's no sugar, there's no calories, there's no artificial anything in this drink. It is just pure, unsweetened black tea. And they tell you about it, and I'll show you the close-ups on the video, shots as well, about everything that makes this tea better. Real brewed tea, never from powder. So I did a video recently, and I was talking about another drink, and I mentioned that I buy this, and I usually get this in a case of like 15. I'll get them from Sam's Club or from Walmart, wherever I'm at, and get them, and I just stick them in my fridge, and I drink them as I go. And there's actually 84 milligrams of caffeine in this. So it's got more caffeine than like your normal 12-ounce can of soda. But guys, you're not getting all the sugar. You're actually getting really good flavor in this. And you can drink as much as you need. It's not really gonna hurt you. I mean, obviously you don't drink way too much, but this is so good. So this is more of a message to tell you, get out and get this as your next beverage, guys. If you drink tea, maybe switch to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm gonna taste it and tell you exactly how it tastes for me. And let's break that down. Oh, that's good. I have never tasted any of this where I was like, man, that does not taste good. You put it over ice, it's great. It's good any time of the day. I can drink it at night. Of course, there's a lot of caffeine in there, but it doesn't really seem to bother me. But just to let you know, this is a splendid beverage. Now, the best thing I like about it is that if you're trying to diet, if you're trying to lose weight, you can drink this. If you drink tea all the time, something I noticed when I tried to start losing weight is you got to cut out a lot of sugar. And everything we get has sugar. Even if you get something that has less sugar in it, it's still a lot more sugar than needs to be in it. It's a lot of empty carbs in these teas and these sodas that just really don't do anything for you. So what I recommend is reach for some unsweetened tea. It's not water because you get tired of water, but it's good for you. It's not bad for you. It's made from leaves that grow in the ground. And so it's something good for you to drink. And it's great if you're doing Weight Watchers, if you're doing a keto diet, any of these diet, the keto diet, if you're doing any kind of weight loss program, this is not going to hurt you. And it's something you can go eat with or drink with your salad. You can drink it with your whatever food you're getting. When I go to restaurants now, I order unsweetened tea. This is still the best by far. Now, if you get brewed, fresh, unsweetened tea at a good restaurant, that's always going to taste really good too. But these guys brewing it from the leaves makes all the difference in the world. This is by far, I can't think of a tea that's close that tastes as good as this. Now, if I go to a Milo's restaurant that makes Milo's tea here in the South, that for me, when they brew that tea and it's bubbling in their machines, and they usually have 3 big tanks in their restaurants of this amazing tea, I gotta tell you, that is the best tea that you can get, but it's sweetened tea. I never get their unsweetened tea there. I just get their straight up tea because it tastes amazing. It's so good. It's that pure cane sugar in that tea. It's good. And I put so much ice in there, and it's just a brilliant mix of flavor and ice and good old tea goodness. But for this, if you're looking for a good tea that you can buy at a store, this is by far the best. There's nothing even close. I can't stress to you how good this is. If I had a rating higher than 100, that would get it. It is a sizzle, and it is a 100 by far. It is. I cannot tell you what tea is second because there isn't one close enough to really rank it next to this. So get out and try this. It's good for you. It's sugar-free. There's nothing added to here except the beauty and the greatness of tea. And it's great. And you can buy these bottles too, and they're good for you too. It costs a little more than your normal tea does. But you know why? Because it's better for you. So when I get like I get like a 10-pack, it's about, it's $6 at Walmart. It's not bad, right? It's not bad at all. So thanks for watching the Showstopper shows, and this is more of a me telling you what's the best out there. May the forks be with you. May his presence be with you always. Put a bow on the show because that is a wrap. Show stops here. I'm passionate about this, y'all. Never quit.